The Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, COREN, is the statutory body set up by the federal government of Nigeria with the mandate to regulate the process of engineering in all aspects and ramifications. It was established by the Decree 55 of 1970s and amended by Decree 27th of 1992. The engineering professional body is driven by the wish to protect people and society at large from the danger associated with engineering failure. COREN was therefore inaugurated to ensure the highest standards of professionalism in engineering practices in Nigeria and the elimination of quacks. The council avoid unnecessary competition among practitioners and prevent them from taking advantage of the people in illegal ways or through unfair deals. The president of the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, Sadiq Abubakar, he asked the federal government to exit the council from the non-funding policy of professionals and regulatory bodies in the country, scheduled to begin in January 2024. He stated this at the 31st Engineering Assembly team, enriching and strengthening engineering practitioners' code of conduct for residents engineering practices in Nigeria held in Abuja on Tuesday, 2023. During an exclusive interview with famous news television and Safety View TV, some of the
My
participants.
name is Engineer Malam Kari. I'm from Borno actually, came for the COREN assembly. I'm into civil engineering construction. Yeah, and so I have a construction firm, dealing with engineering activities, especially civil engineering.
Okay, sir.
First and foremost, I'm really proud to be an engineer, proudly an engineer, because we are the engine room of every development in any country, in any nation. So first and foremost, I think the experience is very much encouraging. In terms of the conference that is there are a lot to achieve. Once there are conferences like this, engineers come together to share views and ideas. But I think we've benefited a lot of benefits have been derived from this. So my experience about this conference is enormous, and I pray that the engineering community will prosper in Nigeria for the better of the human society. Because without engineering, each development or a lot of developmental aspect will not take place. Be it power sector, be it in the civil engineering construction, building technology, surveying, whatever, engineering aspect has to really, deal with. So I think it's very much encouraging, and then we're very happy to be here because we've achieved a lot. Yeah, of course. As you see, in terms of sustainability, I think it's very important. I think this government is also focusing on sustainability because I think the aspect of sustainability has to also go with what do you call it, go with the local content. So you want us to sustain what we have really achieved. I think the aspect of local content has to be there, so that our local industries would be encouraged, our local engineers also be encouraged, so that we'll compete with our international counterparts. So I think it's very, very important for the government to now put an eye into sustainability and for us to sustain what we actually achieve. I think that as the local company is very important. Yeah.
Okay, sir. And what exactly is the nature of your service when you want to render to Nigeria?
Yes, like I mentioned to you, I'm a civil engineer. And then the civil engineering aspect is dealing with, construction of roads, construction of drainages, construction of infrastructures, bridges, construction of tarmac, railway, construction of airport. So you will find out that, we are very much relevant into, the system. We are very much relevant, in terms of, the developmental aspect. So without civil engineers, we'll find out that the driving factor, to achieve the high range in the society will not be achieved. So I call on everybody, I call on all our younger engineers, to accept, the reality of life by going into digital economy, because we shouldn't be, stagnant. We shouldn't be in an analog system. Some of us who graduated some 10 years ago, now we find ourselves very relevant because we always update ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, any contact address to the company?
My contract here is that QMS Nigeria Limited is my company. We're based in Kaduna. No, I'm from Maiduguri, but we're based in Kaduna actually. We're based in Gwanimutar, Malali. Right now, we handle major projects, across the country, in Akwa Ibom, in Borno, in Sokoto, in Boch, and that's part of the country. Especially our younger ones who are now in the university system. Anybody who is willing to, come to, do his ITF, his straight industrial working experience, which they call serious, is highly welcome. Any of our younger ones who have just graduated from university and then they want to do their NYC, yeah, of course, we are interested in sponsoring, we're interested in mentoring, training properly so that they also become better engineers.
Thank you very much.
Our website address is www.qmex.com. That's our website address, www.qmex.com.
Thank you very much, sir. Your name once again, sir?
My name is Engineer Malam Kariko from Borno State.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.